Hello everyone, let's now try to make something new and unique. Here I'm again taking the pencil, making some of the strokes of the lines. After that I'm joining all those lines together so that it will get converted into a beautiful flower. This activity is again very simple. Flowers are so beautiful, they just fill and bright every place. Today we are going to beautify our drawing books with such flowers. We will now try to make something new. Let's move further. We are going to show you how we can make the flower and a butterfly is just roaming around it. We know that butterflies get attracted towards the flower in need of the nectar. And here we are going to show this natural phenomenon through our painting. It looks so good. Let's next try to make another bird. For this I am taking the marker, or you can make use of any other thing. I am just making use of the pencil, then I am giving it certain strokes in different directions so that I can make it perfectly. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. You may require eraser for this one, and a red pen is also required so that you can highlight the top area of this bird, of its head. Don't forget to beautify the background also. Let's move towards our another project. Here I am making some of the lines as it's shown on your screens, and then I am going to fill them again with the help of the pencil. Actually going to show you how we can trace down some of the coconut trees along the side of this road. It looks so perfect and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 13 to 14. You can just give it a try and it looks so nice. Don't forget to trace down the coconuts over this coconut tree, and we are going to add mountains in the background. Eagle is a cruel bird and it's so giant and big. It has big flattery wings and has a beak that looks to be horrified. So today we are going to show you how we can make an eagle. This activity is somewhat difficult and it's not best suitable for small kids. You can just pause the video and give it a try. You just have to make it twice or thrice so that you can become pro in this one. But once you will try to make this one, it will look so nice. We will next show you how we can make this beautiful lotus. For this I have already traced it down roughly. After that I am shading it perfectly. You can just repeat the process in the same manner like I am doing here. I am going to convert this curvy line into a beautiful fish. You can just pause the video and just focus where you have to do what type of the technique, where you have to hold the pencil in the slanting portion and where you have to highlight the other things. It looks so perfect and nice. Let's move towards our next project. Here again we are going to show you how we can make the flower. For this you just have to make use of the pencil only. Erasers are used. The benefit of using the pencil is that you can just erase it whenever you find that you have done any mistake. This activity is very good and nice. This flower looks so pretty and full of life. You can just give it a try. In the background I am adding some more features like I am making this dragonfly. Thank you.